Mr. Ahmed Deedat, the word crucifixion with a C-T-I-O-N, where did you get that word? Because why? I went to the library and I picked out a Arabic dictionary with English, and I was looking and I don't find it in all the other dictionaries, because here I have it in the Tulis written to prove it. There is no other word as you have said.
Thank you. You see, I'm solving the problem for the Christians. They do not have a word in their language. The Oxford Dictionary hasn't got it. The Webster Dictionary hasn't got it. In the languages of the Christian world, there is no such word that a man goes on the cross, he goes through all the process, and he doesn't die. One verb for that is non-existent in any Western language. So therefore, I am trying to get them out of the misery. They are in a misery. You listening? I want you to listen, because now while I'm talking, you want to talk. So please, have patience. When you spoke, I just sat down, gave you a full chance. Now just listen. So I want to get the Christians out of their misery of not finding a word. They're putting them in inverted commas. That book that is given to you, you see the 6 times crucifixion in inverted commas. So what is the inverted comma for? That means it is not crucifixion. Then what is it? So therefore I said, look, because you don't have a word, I am coining it for you. And very soon it can happen in the next Oxford Dictionary, you'll find this word coming in, because they didn't think of it. I am thinking and I'm giving it to you. I am putting that word in your mouth now. Whenever you say about that other fiction, so he says, no, what happened? Well, he was crucifixion. So you learn the word from me. If you keep on using that, the Oxford Dictionary and the Webster Dictionary and they'll have to start adopting, taking our word and putting it into the dictionary, because they didn't think of it before. That's how new words come in. So this is my creation.